Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian chilli. You will need 2 carrots, 2 onions, 2 bell peppers, 1 tablespoon of ground garlic, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 teaspoons of hot chili powder, 1 tablespoon of mild chili powder. If you don't like your chili particularly hot, just take out the hot chili powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 300 millilitres of vegetable stock, 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of dried marjoram, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 400 grams of kidney beans, 400 grams of chickpeas, and 400 grams of another type of bean. So I have used butter beans, but if you want to use a different type of bean, by all means go for it. Firstly, we want to chop and prep our veg. You want to peel and dice your onions, you want to dice your bell peppers, and you want to peel and dice your carrots. Then with a pan on a medium heat, add your oil and your onion and cook for 5 minutes until soft. Then add your peppers, your carrots, your hot and mild chili powder if using both, your paprika, your ground garlic and your cumin, and stir and cook for a further 5 minutes. Then add your stock, your tinned tomatoes, your marjoram and your tomato puree. Give it a really good stir. Turn down the heat until it's a gentle bubble and pop a lid on. And then you want to leave it for 20 minutes, just stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Then you want to add your beans and your chickpeas. Give it another really good stir and simmer for 10 minutes. You may find that too much water evaporates and it goes a little bit on the dry side. If that happens, just add a couple of tablespoons of water in, just give it a really good stir and that should sort that out. And then I like to serve my chilli with rice, but if you want you can chuck it on a jack potato. I like to have a bit of guacamole or sour cream with mine, but that is just serving suggestions because you eat yours how you like, because that is how you make a vegetarian chilli.